Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a free Minecraft server using Aternos. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open your web browser. Go to aternos.org. Click play. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, click Create Account. Complete the registration process. Then sign in to your account. Click Create a Server. Choose the edition you want. We'll use Java Edition in this video. You can also choose Bedrock Edition if you prefer. Scroll down. Then click Create. Your server will now be created. Click Servers. Then select your new server. On the left side, click Options. Here you can customize your server, such as the server name, game mode, difficulty, maximum players, and other settings. Once you're done, go back to the server page. Scroll down. You'll see your server address. Click Copy. You can also change the server software or the Minecraft version if needed. When you're ready, click Start. Accept the ULA. Then wait for the server to finish starting. Once the server is online, open the Minecraft launcher. Select Minecraft Java Edition. Make sure your game version matches the server version. Then click Play. Click Multiplayer. Then click Add Server. Enter any server name you like. Paste the server address you copied earlier. Then click Done. Wait a few seconds. Your server will appear in the list. Double-click the server to join your free Minecraft server. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.